and others vlog, we're gonna go visit the Harry Potter studio tour here in London. It's my third time, but I've never been when it's around Christmas time, so it's supposed to be all decked out. So let's see what they have in store for us.
Hi everyone, my name is Marie and I'm from beautiful Eastern Canada. I explore and travel the world to escape the 9 to 5. Make sure to subscribe and come along on this journey as we discover the most amazing places the world has to offer.
So they've added the ones since I was last here, and they make some sort of path, and I think it's a light, very pretty. So I grabbed my passport at the entrance for free, and I guess you can stamp it along the way, so make sure to grab one when you come in. When the doors open, it gets me every time. Look at that. So they actually used real candles. First film, they used oil and a wick, but it burnt, and the wire burnt as well after a few hours of burning, and they fell onto the table. So of course after they had to go with fake candles. Password. So this wasn't here the last time I came. We have the Slytherin common room. It's very cool to see. Some of the most famous items right behind me in there. So this is the Gryffindor common room, which is my house. So I'm wondering, let me know in the comments which house you belong to. One of my favorite scenes is in the last movie with McGonagall. She conjures all the knights to come and help and protect the school, and I love it. Let's go get spooked in the Forbidden Forest. I've seen Voldemort, the Hippogriff. Still haven't seen the spiders. Oh, I see one now. A lot of things weren't here the last time I came in the backlot. The Burrows wasn't there. Apparently Privet Drive is bigger, and there's the Care to Magical Creatures also that I will check out. So I'll do it before it's dark. It's almost 4 p.m. so I gotta hustle up. For Privet Drive.
It is difficult. Dobby wonders where to begin.
Now I'm going to see the Mandrakes. It's a new section. I've never been to it, in the backlot as well. I'll have to pull out a mandrake. Ooh, I look purple. Trying the Butterbeer ice cream. Yum. Tastes like caramel. Very sweet. Very good. But it's cold outside, but still good. Back. So I have about an hour and a half left, and I'll go explore the second building. A new feature is Gringotts. What I like that they've done here is they've created one of the vaults, and possibly, I'm guessing, Bellatrix, because it's got all of the cups. Every good thing must come to an end, so that's it for the studio tour. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.